Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Blitzball is probably one of the most exciting and innovative sports toys to hit the market in years, offering a unique blend of baseball and soccer that promises hours of fun for players of all ages and skill levels, making it a must-have for backyard games, park outings, and even casual beach volleyball. Number 5. WAKA Official Kickball, Adult 10. This is the official game ball for the Adult Kickball Association. You can trust it for all your organized league games. Built for long-lasting fun, this ball is also budget-friendly. It's perfect for kickball and everyday playground activities. Its high-grip surface makes it easy to hold. This ensures more comfortable and enjoyable play for everyone. As the official ball of the Adult Kickball Association, it's the preferred choice for league play. Enjoy endless fun with this durable playground ball. It's designed for both organized games and casual play. What we like. This is the official ball of the Adult Kickball Association, making it a trusted choice for league play. It's also built for long-lasting use at an affordable price. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective ball for organized games or casual fun, this is a great option. What people say. The Blitzball is a fantastic toy for kids, offering hours of outdoor fun and exercise. It's surprisingly durable and has withstood rough play from multiple children. The unique design allows for various throwing styles, making it versatile for different skill levels. Number 4. Franklin MLB2 in 1-pitch target. Introducing the Franklin MLB2 in 1-pitch target and return trainer. It's designed for dual-sided use, acting as both a pitching target and a return rebounder. This allows your little leaguer to hone several skills simultaneously. The lifelike catcher target is built with heavy-duty nylon, ensuring it can withstand season after season of practice. Its life-size strike zone is perfect for improving accuracy and mastering the strike zone. The return rebound side is constructed from durable polyethylene and features a reinforced bungee netting system. This design provides increased durability and reliability, maintaining a consistent rebound throw after throw. This pitching target includes a switch-hitting batter simulation that can be positioned on either side of the strike zone. Practice pitching to both lefties and righties, ensuring your skills are sharp for game time. This rebounder is the ideal outdoor training tool for any young baseball player. It's perfect for practicing throwing, pitching, fielding, and much more. What we like. This trainer offers a dual-sided design for both pitching and returning, allowing you to hone multiple skills at once. Its heavy-duty construction ensures it can withstand season after season of practice. If you're a young baseball player looking to improve your pitching accuracy and overall game, this is the perfect outdoor training tool. What people say. The Blitzball is a great toy for kids to play outside. It is easy to throw and catch, and it is also very durable. Number 3. Blitzball Dude Perfect Starter Pack. Introducing the Blitzball Dude Perfect Starter Pack, your ticket to backyard baseball fun. This limited edition set is proudly made in the USA. Inside, you'll find 3 official Blitzballs and a Dude Perfect power bat. It's everything you need to get the game started right away. This is a limited edition release, so don't miss out on the chance to own this special backyard plastic baseball set. Experience the thrill of the game with its patent-pending design. It's engineered to deliver maximum curve, incredible speed, and impressive distance. Weighing just under 1 ounce, it's incredibly light for easy handling. Yet, it's built tough for endless hours of play. Feel good about your purchase knowing it's made right here in the USA. Quality craftsmanship you can trust. What we like. This is a limited edition backyard plastic baseball with a patent-pending design for maximum curve, speed, and distance. It's lightweight and made in the USA. If you're a fan of Dude Perfect and want to experience extreme backyard baseball with unique flight paths, this is the set for you. What people say. The Blitzball is a great tool for practicing pitching and hitting. It's also good for playing catch in the backyard. The ball is durable and holds up well to repeated use. Number 2. Blitzball Starter Pack. Introducing the Blitzball Starter Pack, your ticket to backyard baseball fun. This set includes everything you need to get started right away. Inside, you'll find one Blitzball power bat and 3 official Blitzballs. It's the perfect package for hours of active play. Experience the thrill of the game with its patent-pending design. It's engineered to deliver incredible curve, speed, and distance. Weighing just under 1 ounce, it's incredibly easy to handle for players of all ages. Enjoy a comfortable and powerful swing every time. Feel confident in the quality and craftsmanship. This toy is proudly made in the USA, ensuring top-notch fun and durability. What we like. This backyard plastic baseball features a patent-pending design engineered for maximum curve, speed, and distance. It's incredibly lightweight and proudly made in the USA. If you're looking to add an exciting, high-performance element to your backyard games and want to achieve impressive throws, this is the ball to choose. What people say. The Blitzball is a great toy for kids to play outside. It is a fun and engaging toy that can keep children entertained for hours. The Blitzball is a durable and well-made toy that is sure to last for many years. Number 1. Insider Bat Baseball Pitching Trainer Ball Kit Bundle. Unlock your pitching potential with this innovative training tool. It's designed to help you learn and perfect every type of pitch with ease. Featuring color-coded circles, it provides clear visual cues for proper finger placement. This makes learning each pitch intuitive and effective. This bundle comes with instructional cards offering detailed guidance and photos. You'll learn the correct grip and throwing technique for every pitch. Whether you're left-handed or right-handed, this trainer is for you. It adapts to your throwing style, ensuring everyone can benefit. You get 9 official size and weighted training balls. They provide a realistic feel for effective practice sessions. Ideal for baseball coaches and aspiring pitchers alike. It's the ultimate baseball training gift to elevate any player's game. What we like. This pitching trainer ball comes with color-coded circles for proper finger placement, making it easy to learn each pitch. It also includes instructional cards with detailed grip and throw information. If you're an aspiring pitcher, whether left or right-handed, looking to master different pitches with clear guidance, this bundle is an excellent training aid. What people say. The Blitzball is a great way to get exercise and have fun with friends. The Blitzball is easy to throw and catch, even for beginners. The Blitzball is durable and can withstand rough play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.